In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment icons under Add to Cart button on Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your admin area, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From there, go to Online Store and then click Themes. This is where Shopify keeps your store theme settings, including the design and layout options that control what customers see on your storefront. Take a moment to make sure you are working with the correct theme. Usually, your active theme will appear at the top of the Themes page. This is the version of your store that visitors are currently seeing, so any changes you make here can affect your live product page once you save them. Next, click Customize next to your active theme. This will open the Shopify theme editor. The theme editor gives you a visual way to change your store layout without needing to edit the main theme files directly. It is especially useful for adding small content blocks, like payment icons, to specific areas of a page. When the editor opens, you will usually land on the home page template by default. At the top of the editor, there is a template drop-down menu. Click that drop-down, then change it from Home Page to Products, and select Default Product. This is important because the Add to Cart button is normally located on your product page, not on the home page. On the left side, you will see the sections and blocks that make up that page. This is where you can control what appears near the product title, price, variant selectors, quantity selector, and buy buttons. Now locate the product information section in the left sidebar menu. This section usually contains the main content for the product page. Depending on your theme, you may see blocks such as title, price, variant picker, quantity selector, description, and buy buttons. The payment icons will need to be added inside this same area so they appear close to the purchase button. Under the product information section, click Add Block. This option lets you add another piece of content to that product information area. The exact list of available blocks can vary depending on your Shopify theme, but most modern themes include a custom liquid block. Some themes may also include a text block or even a dedicated payment icons block. From the available block options, select Custom Liquid. If your theme has a specific payment icons block, or if your instructions are designed for a text block, you can choose that instead. The goal is to create a block where your payment icon code or content can be placed. Custom Liquid is commonly used because it allows you to add HTML or liquid code directly into the theme editor. Once the new block opens, paste your payment icon's HTML or liquid code into the text area. Make sure the code you paste only contains the payment icon display code you want to use. Avoid pasting any private information, login details, secret keys, or anything unrelated to the visual icons. The purpose of this code is simply to display the payment methods in a clean and trustworthy way under the purchase area. After the code is added, look back at the product information section in the left sidebar. You should now see the newly added block listed with the other product page blocks. Click and drag that new block so it sits directly underneath the Buy Buttons block. This placement matters because it puts the payment icons right below the Add to Cart or Checkout button, where customers are most likely to notice them before making a purchase. Once the block is in the correct position, take a quick look at the preview area. You should see the payment icons appearing below the Add to Cart button or Buy Buttons area. If the icons are showing in the right place, you are ready to save your changes. Finally, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. Shopify will apply the update to your product page template. After saving, you can visit a product page on your storefront to confirm that the payment icons display correctly underneath the Add to Cart button. And that is all there is to it. You have now added payment icons under the Add to Cart button on your Shopify product page.